Hello friends, welcome back to my new blog and here I am Madhuri to talk to you and friends. Today I want to talk to you important topic. Friends, English we we want to speak fluently in English but you cannot speak in English language. But friends, it's a reason because English is not your mother tongue, not my mother tongue. So, hmm, English is not a difficult language. It's a easy language, like Hindi, uh, uh, whose people born in England, in Britain, or you can say in English surrounding, whose mother and whose parents, whose neighbor, whose all people is speaking, whose surrounding all people is speaking in English language and talking in English language, thinking English language, and child first in childhood times to talk in English language. Then where child fluently speak in English language, not any difficulties, but our our cases it's a difficult because we are mm, not in English or English language surrounding. We are not belong to English English surrounding, English language surrounding, and not our parents, our neighbors, our schooling, not in English language. So, English language, if you are speaking in English language still, then uh, you should be practice more practice and daily basis, day by day. You practice more and more, and friends, if you are mistakes, if you are mistake, then not bad, because mistake is your teacher, not your not your fallen. It's a good, because when you are mistakes, then you can correct to your mistakes, and again you correct and speaking to correctly, then you speak a right sentence. And friends, if you are if uh, your wishes, if you want to speak in English language fluently, so so uh, your efforts your efforts to carry to your wishes, complete to your wishes. So friends, if you like my videos, then like, subscribe, and comment in my videos. Till then, take care. Bye. See you in the next vlog.